we are now discussing peel. Peel is actually we will think about how they will parastructure things. Okay, so peel a very important thing. First is a point. Point is nothing but there are like topic sentence. What we have discussing. So that's one point. Are you good? Yes. Okay. Now after that we have a explanation. Whatever there are point mentioned. So after some lines, main point will be discussed in the explanation way. Okay. Second thing is explanation, and the third thing is example. Whatever we have explained, so we will also give some examples. At the end, we have a link. Okay, it's conclusion. Same thing we can relate with the topic sentence point. Topic sentence is same like points. After that, supporting sentence. Whatever we discuss in a topic sentence, related thing we have discussed in supporting sentence. Okay. To support the supporting sentence, we will give some examples. So that's called developing sentence. At the end, we have a conclusion. So there are four things. In every text, there are chances maybe more than one supporting sentence, two supporting sentence, three supporting sentence. Yesterday in text we have three. Okay. Answers usually in topic sentence. Sometimes we get in supporting sentence. Okay. You got? Yeah, link. Supporting sentence. Good.